copy trade is haram?
It's haram if you do not know what are the methods that he's using. This is what we call black magic.
So you're the believer that technical and fundamental should be combined.
Exactly. I believe both must combine because I always believe at the end of the day, if you use only fundamentals, your investment style will not go the way you like it. Because there are so many insiders and sharks that manipulate fundamentals.
Oh, you call it sharks, the big boys.
Yeah, shark is the big boys, the giants.
Trade Trainer, hari ini kita akan membahas bagaimana menjadi automatic investor. Artinya apa? Banyak daripada kita taruh uang dan ternyata uang itu dikelola oleh orang-orang yang salah atau scammer. Contohnya robot trading menjanjikan profit tidak jelas. Contohnya lagi Anda taruh di mungkin fund manager tapi ngelolanya binary option atau mungkin copy trade yang abal-abal. Hari ini ada sosok yang luar biasa. Dia adalah DDNK. Siapa itu DDNK? Oke, kita langsung saja CEO Talk bersama seorang yang luar biasa dari negeri tetangga kita, Malaysia. Dan hari ini kita akan belajar tentang bagaimana caranya memilih fund manager yang baik dan produk-produk untuk dikelola dengan baik. Oke, Dato, thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Pak Gema, Dr. Gema.
Wow,
thank
kita
you so
di
much.
sini 2:30.
Terima kasih datang rumah saya.
Subuh di rumah ya.
Yes.
Amazing.
Alhamdulillah.
So, DDNK, what is DDNK? Apa itu?
DDNK adalah nama saya, Datuk Dr. Nazri Khan.
Nazri Khan.
Di Malaysia saya terkenal dengan tagline saya, tidak handsome tak apa, janji kaya.
Janji kaya, tidak handsome.
It means you don't have to be handsome, as long you're smart and you're rich.
Oh my God.
That's the tagline. Yeah.
So, satu hal. In Indonesia, a lot of people get scammed.
Correct.
They put the money ke fund manager dan fund managernya bahkan state-owned company. Dan they do, fraud and something like that. But people do not regret. Some people they just don't want to learn. Mereka tetap mau taruh uang di asset management.
Itu problemnya.
Ya kan?
Yeah.
Tapi tidak banyak mereka tahu tentang apa aset management yang bagus.
Yes,
nah, saya dengar Dato ini memiliki track record yang bagus sekali. You're a fund manager, licensed fund manager, correct?
Alhamdulillah.
And what company you're working now?
Okay, at this moment I'm working with Inter-Pacific Asset Management. It's 100% asset management license, owned by Malaysian 10 richest man in Malaysia, Tan Sri Vincent Tan, under his own company Berjaya Sdn Bhd. Berjaya Group Berhad.
Okay.
It's one of the listed company in Malaysia. We managed to bring, alhamdulillah, over the last 2 years, more than 1 billion ringgit in Malaysia from more than 8,000 clients in Malaysia. We can see ramai orang sebenarnya berminat untuk membuat pelaburan dengan cara yang sah, right? License, not scammer.
Not scammer.
In Malaysia, everybody is thirsty for that because we live now in era of scammers. That's the problem. That's why it's very important for you to know two things. First, who is your fund manager?
Yeah.
Okay, is he licensed or not? Is he regulated? Does he have track record or not? Right.
Yeah.
Number two, you need to know what is his trading style or investment style.
So you're saying like people who join the copy trade is really risky because they don't know who behind.
Not only risky, it's haram from Islamic point of view.
Oh, copy trade is haram?
It's haram if you do not know what are the methods that he's using. This is what we call black magic.
Black magic.
Or black box, whatever you call it, right?
Wow.
You cannot follow people blindly. You must know what he do, why he buy, why he sell, what are the investment style, what are the products or asset that he buy. In my case, we buy all the great stocks in the world. It's called Nasdaq stock.
Oh, you're US stocks fund manager.
We are specialists in US technology stock, the giants.
Oh, not the Dow Jones, not S&P 500?
Not Dow Jones, specifically in Nasdaq. Stocks like Apple, Tesla, Nvidia, Google, AMD. These are the great stocks that have given lots of profit for our clients and also in the future. Wow. Over the last 3 years, our return has been very good, right? This year alone, the 6-month audited, we have made between 20% to close to 100% return.
20 to 100%.
Yeah, 20 to 100% return. Correct? Audited. So these are the product that we believe is going to be very promising, not only Malaysia but also outside Malaysia, because our approach is different. First, we go for market leaders. Not only market leaders, that market leaders must have momentum, right? It must have earnings momentum, must have sales momentum, must show leadership momentum, and of course price momentum. So it's a blend of technical and fundamentals.
So you're the believer that technical and fundamental should be combined.
Exactly. I believe both must combine because I always believe at the end of the day, if you use only fundamentals, your investment style will not go the way you like it. Because there are so many insiders and sharks that manipulate fundamentals.
Oh, you call it sharks,
Sharks,
the big boys.
Yeah, sharks, the big boys, the giants.
So berapa dana yang Anda kelola sekarang?
Alhamdulillah, kita pernah kelola sehingga 1.1 billion ringgit. Yeah.
In US dollar?
No, it's in ringgit, right? We are relatively small.
Okay.
But the rate of growth is awesome.
Berapa persen?
I've been given an award for the fastest growing CEO of emerging asset management. The race, if you go for super aggressive, right? Or even I have another one, unit trust for sophisticated that make about 100% return. The race is about like probably 8 out of 10, which means if Nasdaq goes down by 1%, it can goes down by 8%. That means time
The
8.
beta.
Yeah, the beta. But
Okay.
the best for adalah if the return goes up, you can make more than 8 times.
Ada
So-
pengguna stop loss?
Yes, we have our own rules. That's the beauty of having private mandate.
Okay. So the question is when people ask, okay, saya tertarik untuk invest, taruh di fund manager karena memang there's some people in Indonesia,
Yeah.
they don't like to trade by themselves. They don't like to
Exactly.
learn. What they want is just, hey, I have money, please manage for me, something like that.
Correct.
But why you? Why have to be
I believe we are different. Number one, we are licensed. If you Google my name DDNK, you'll find it. You know, my track record there. You'll find my license there, and I'm relatively known here. I got a little brand in Malaysia. Yeah, I've been doing this for many years. Right. I was an analyst before I become fund manager. Not only that, I got a style that proven. Most of our clients, 90%, for those who still stay with me, none of them are having loss in their portfolios. All of them who stay with me over the last 3 years.
What is your
until today.
drawdown?
The drawdown we have last year is about minus 20%,
Okay.
where the market goes down minus 50, but we only
So
have
you
losses about
outperform the
minus.
market still.
We outperform the market to the downside. And this year, the first 6 months, based on audited figures, we phenomenally outperform the stock market.
And that's only US market entirely.
Entirely US market.
You don't trade gold.
No, it's
Forex.
entirely US market, and we also have Sharia advisor. Right? We have Sharia advisor in Malaysia, Salihin Advisory, that manage our fund to ensure that all the stocks that we buy or ETF that we buy conform to Sharia compliant.
Oh.
I also believe I have a special satu cara macam mana kita boleh growkan wealth kita, because I've tested this many years. The best way actually to grow your wealth, maybe to become millionaires, over your life, is actually to automate your investment. Automate investment.
Can you
right?
spill a little bit about it?
I'm coming out with my own book.
Yeah.
It's gonna be called Autopilot Investor
Okay.
or Automatic Trader, where I believe we are humans. You cannot force yourself to trade. You cannot force yourself to invest every month. The best way is to do it unconsciously, right? Maybe every month you just spend about 1,000 ringgit or 2,000 ringgit or even 10,000 ringgit. Whatever amount that you feel, no pressure. So the best way to become rich is to force yourself, automate your fund, where you can go to your banks and arrange with your bank, do standing instruction. Every month pay only 1,000 ringgit or 2,000 or 10,000 ringgit, whatever you can afford to do it, you know. But over 3 or 5 years, you can see magic. Because we don't have discipline power. Humans, we don't have discipline, right? But if you automate it, before you see in your bank, your money gone, and it's go into
Your
proper investment
Yeah, proper investment.
by certified or licensed fund
Fund
manager.
manager. The
That's the
last
best
part, Dato tadi bicara tentang style.
Yes,
So
I-
spill a little bit. You're technical as well. You're a chairman of MATA, correct?
Yes,
MATA is Malaysian Association Technical now.
Yeah, I'm the founder of Trader Association Malaysia, global is
So
recognized.
kita kenal dari International Federation
Dari
Technical.
International Federation.
So tell me, what is your style? And then in terms
Okay.
of technical analysis, why are you so confident? Because a lot of people think that technical is useless. A lot of fund manager that
It's
don't
different,
technical.
yeah.
So spill a little bit. I don't want you to give the secret here, but at least people
correct.
know.
I've been a chartist all my life. Yeah, I'm a current chairman of Malaysian Association Technical Analysts. I always believe the best way to trade is to follow the insiders. Follow the smart funds. Insiders are smart funds. If you follow fundamentals, the fundamentals are late, right? There are some tendency for the insiders to manipulate the fundamentals, right? They can work together with accountants, media, and spin it, But if you use charts or technical indicators, it cannot be manipulated, especially for the big giant companies like Apple, Tesla, like Google, AMD, all this.
I know you're looking to the market insider. We call that market sentiment.
Correct.
And how you interpret that into the chart.
The way I look at it is that we see contrarian. We have to be contrarian, right? Retail and insiders, normally they're out of sync. The insiders do certain things, retail do the other way things.
Okay.
Because retail are easily manipulated. Yeah. So normally the insiders may work together with the sharks, the giants. Maybe they are the owner of the media to give some bullish headlines so that retail will buy and they can sell out. They can sell out.
And then how you find that into
So
the chart?
what I'll do is that I have my own chart patterns, right? I have specific trading pattern that I look at, especially volume by profile. That is my indicators. For every stock, right, I'll put the volume shelf. Volume shelf means volume level at every price level that you can see on the charts. So from there, you can see what are the sharks doing. Where do they park their order? Right? Are they parking sell order? Are they parking buy order? And you look at level 2 screen or time and sale screens. Who is more desperate? Are the buyers desperate or the sellers desperate? Are they buying below bids or are they selling above us? Right? And at the same time, we also want to see the unusual block of trade in options. You can see
it's correlate between options.
It's correct. For example, if Tesla owner Elon Musk is buying huge puts option, that means he's bearish.
Yeah.
He's bearish. He knows what's going on, and this option can be like 6 months ahead from today's date. So I always believe that insider are the best person for you to follow. That's why you need technical analysis that can give you a very straight approach, right to the person that have the best knowledge about the inside working of the companies, which is the insiders.
Nice.
Right? And the insiders and the sharks, I have several indicators. We use precedent index. We use a lot of things that we do. Plus with seasonality, seasonality cycles, where you can see every respective months or respective hours or weeks, there are certain insider sellings.
So the cycles of that.
Cycles, correct.
Okay.
For example, let me ask you, why is the oil stocks always did very badly in June, but do very good in December? Because December
That's
is
the cycle. Yeah.
winter, right?
Winter.
People use a lot of energy, and the insiders are the first one to buy. That's why they do very well.
That's what I combine with the planetary system, which is that aligned.
Correct. Yes.
Whatever you're looking at.
Exactly.
Just a different way to see it.
Exactly.
The concept is the same.
Yes, different angle.
Wow. Guys, jadi ini
Fantastic.
adalah salah satu contoh kalau Anda mau melihat fund manager yang mengelola uang yang sangat banyak, ini adalah salah satu contoh figur. Jadi Anda bisa mengambil satu figure tentang what is the real fund manager. It's not just copy trade with the meta trader.
Correct.
Right? This is the big scale of the game. Jadi kalau kamu memang tidak mau trading dan pingin uangnya dikelola, pilihlah fund manager yang in and out, punya knowledge seperti DDNK ini. Nah, caranya bagaimana? One day you will come to Jakarta.
Inshallah, I will.
With Astronacci.
Yes, I will.
We can make like seminars about how to manage the fund
Correct.
in Berjaya. Right?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm just trying my people untuk bertemu fund manager yang qualified
Inshallah,
that
yes.
they can meet the growth in portfolio.
Of course.
So if you really want to learn about how you can put the money in proper fund management and then proper fund manager, ini adalah nomor telepon WhatsApp. Silakan WhatsApp dan kita akan arrange nanti Zoom dengan Dato' Khan untuk bicara tentang bagaimana beliau dengan company-nya bisa melakukan fund management untuk Anda yang memang punya appetite berbeda dengan yang lain. Artinya apa? Saya tidak bisa memaksa Anda untuk belajar trading. Kalau Anda memiliki passion yang berbeda, Anda tidak ingin belajar trading karena memang Anda lebih suka dikelola uangnya, setidaknya Astronacci bisa bantu Anda untuk bertemu fund manager kaliber dunia yang bisa membantu Anda, dan khususnya ini di negara tetangga seperti di close with Jakarta. You don't have to go States to meet you.
Correct.
Terutama ada satu program yang kita namakan private mandate, regulated by Malaysia, di mana is customized for individual clients, and you can directly talk with the fund manager, correct?
Every month you have direct access.
Every month you have direct access. So, silakan komen di bawah. Semoga Astronacci bisa membantu, dan thank you so much for the time.
Thank you.
It's about 3 a.m. in the morning.
Dr. Gema, thank you so much
Luar biasa.
for coming here. I'm also impressed by your energy, right? And we look forward to welcome you in Malaysia.
Okay, and then we will enjoy US stocks together with Dato Khan. Bye-bye, guys.
Right.